For years, the Fenix series has stood as the beacon for athletes who demand nothing but excellence in tracking their every move, whether it's running, cycling, swimming, or conquering mountains. And the Fenix 8 Pro? Well, it's gearing up to take that legacy to new heights with fresh features and improvements. But let's be real, the competition's tough out there. Garmin knows it, and you can bet they're setting their sights high once again with the Fenix 8 Pro. Now, we're still waiting on the deets about the Fenix 8's design and features, but hey, we can make some educated guesses. Think diverse case sizes, material combos, the whole shebang. And hey, who wouldn't want a slimmer design without sacrificing that legendary battery life, right? Speaking of tech, there's been chatter about a shift from the trusty MIP screen to vibrant AMOLED. Yeah, we're aware of the Epix line of watches. However, it appears that the trend is moving towards AMOLED technology for the Fenix series as well. The Fenix 8 Pro will likely keep the all-key features we loved in the Fenix 7 series. That includes offline maps, sleep and stress tracking, Elevate Gen 5 optical heart rate sensor, and solid battery life. Garmin's been fine-tuning GPS and battery performance in features like antenna placement and Sat-IQ algorithm. It's safe to assume these will get more love in the Fenix 8 series. The Fenix 8 Pro could shake things up in health monitoring. Picture a watch that not only tracks your workouts, but also monitors vital stuff like blood pressure, glucose levels, and hydration, straight from your wrist. For folks serious about fitness and health, this could be a total game changer, giving them all the insights they need on how their body handles every bit of action. And with the dawn of AI, expect the Fenix 8 to offer a blend of personalized features like adaptive training plans, voice assistants for hands-free operations, and predictive metrics that anticipate potential health concerns based on continuous data monitoring. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: smartwatch capabilities. While the Fenix series has traditionally focused on fitness tracking, there's room for improvement in terms of smartwatch features. There's a longing for a richer smartwatch experience, akin to competitors like the Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch. Integration of features like microphone and smart assistant voice control, along with better third-party app support, could elevate the Fenix 8's appeal to a broader audience. As for pricing and launch, details are still under wraps. However, industry insiders suggest that the Fenix 8 could start around $700, with premium models fetching up to $1,000. And as for when it'll drop, keep your eyes peeled for 2025 or late 2024. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash subscribe for more fitness goodness, and until next time, peace out.